Students, this is Vivid Botany. We are talking about the amino acids here. This question appears to be very simple. Let me explain what is an amino acid here. An amino acid contains here alpha carbon and carboxylic acid and an amine group and an alkyl group and a hydrogen. So these are the basic components of an amino acid. So this is called as amine group. This is called as carboxylic acid and this is the alkyl group and this is hydrogen. So generally in an amino acid the alkyl group changes from one amino acid to the other, right? For example, you know that in glycine alkyl group is hydrogen, whereas in alanine it is methyl group. In serine it is methoxy. So if you see in glycine R is equal to hydrogen, whereas in alanine R is equal to methyl group, whereas in serine R is equal to methoxy. So these are general information about the amino acid. Now these amino acids are of three types like acidic, basic, neutral. See, apart from this alpha carbon, alkyl group and hydrogen, these two that I am talking about, that is amine group and carboxylic acid, this will determine whether the given amino acid is acidic or basic. Yes, that is what he is asking here, the question. If you see the left hand side of the diagram, that I am marking it as Roman 1, in this you find that NH2 groups are less than COOH groups. You see, here one COOH group is there, here one COOH group is there. That is, COOH are 2 in number, whereas NH2 group is only 1. Only 1 it is. So, NH2 is 1 and COOH groups are 2. That is, carboxylic acids are more than the amine group. Such amino acids are called as acidic amino acids. Example is given as glutamic acid. Next you see the basic amino acid. In the basic amino acid, NH2 groups, that is amine groups, are greater than carboxylic acids or carboxylate ion. You see here in this given diagram, NH2 groups are 2, whereas carboxylic group is only 1. Here you find the carboxylic group, this is NH2 group, this NH2 group. So 2 amine groups are there, 1 carboxylic acid group is there. In such cases it is called as basic amino acid, right? So do remember that. Example for this is lysine. Lysine is example for basic amino acid that will constitute the histone proteins present in nucleosome. We know that DNA is acidic and negative in charge. So DNA needs to be neutralized, stabilized by associating with positively charged amino acids, that basic proteins called lysine and arginine. Let us go to the third one, that is neutral amino acid, that is valine. In this group, as we expect that number of amine groups are equal to the carboxylic acids. For example, there is one carboxylic acid, there is one amine group. You see in the diagram here, this is amine group, only one. This is carboxylic acid, only one. So they are present in 1:1 ratio. Such amino acids are called as neutral amino acids, that is valine is the example. I repeat once again, in every amino acid, the common is alpha carbon, hydrogen, carboxylic acid and amine group. Uncommon is alkyl group that varies from one amino acid to the other amino acid. And acidic, basic, neutral amino acids are decided by the number of amine groups and carboxylic acids. See, for example, if carboxylic acids are greater than amine group, such are called acidic. If amine groups are greater than carboxylic acid, such are called basic. If amine group and carboxylic acid both are equal, that is called neutral amino acid. So the basic information about the types of amino acids. Let us see the question here. Identify the basic amino acid from the following. Tyrosine, no, it's not. Glutamic acid, it's also not. And valine, it is neutral amino acid. And this lysine is very much correct, that is basic amino acid. So a basic amino acid is that which contains more amine groups than the carboxylic acids. One more thing is that a basic amino acid is always positively charged, whereas acidic amino acid is always negatively charged. Neutral amino acid is having both positive and negative are present in equal ratio. Remember, acidic, that is COOH group is greater, that becomes negative. Basic, where NH2 group is positive. Neutral, where NH2 COOH both are in equal proportion. So answer is here, the third option for the question. Hope you have understood the question very well. It is a very basic information about the amino acids. It's being asked every year in NEET. So one must prepare not only the structure but number of acidic group, number of COOH groups, number of amine groups also, or whether it is neutral, whether it is acidic, whether it is basic, can understand very easily. Hope you have clearly understood the concept of the types of amino acids, right? You have any query, please drop a line in the comment box. I am ready to explain you the doubts that you post in the comment box. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is Vivid Botany. Thank you.